Hey guys, this is Rob from Life is Dad, and today we are unboxing the Divoom PIXOO-MAX. It's an item that I picked up on Kickstarter earlier in the summer and got in the mail this past week. So let's go ahead and get it open. All right, so in the box we've got the PIXOO-MAX, and it also comes with a indoor and in-car pixel art display car mount. So you can actually use these if you're a Lyft driver or an Uber driver. You can use these to signal your passengers. You can put them in the back windows and also use them to signal other drivers. So this is the car mounting accessories for that. All right, so Divoom. And so in the box, we've got the PIXOO-MAX. And it looks like we have some stickers. And we also have an instruction manual, which is a pretty good size. And then we also have in here the USB-C charging cable and a little kickstand if you want to use it to mount it or set it on the desk. So let's get this open. So here it is. See how I can get this plastic off the top. There we go. And so we've got on the back, there's a little mountain clip. You can hang it on a wall. You can screw this in here. And I'm not left-handed. There we go. Oh, it just pushes in. You also have the slot for the USB-C cord. And we've got a button on the side. And so let me go in the app and pair it. All right, and it has been connected. So just some dimensions on the Max here. It's a 32 by 32. It weighs about a pound. Playback time is going to be about 5 hours, but it also includes a very long car charger. So if you were going to install it in your car, you can keep that plugged in. It has a wireless range of up to 10 meters or about 33 feet, and it is Bluetooth 5.0. All right, and so it does need a firmware update, so we are gonna stop for a minute and let that update happen. So the firmware update has been completed, and so it's running through a display mode right now, giving you some different things that it can show you. And so there are a bunch of clock faces and such on here too. So I'm going to go ahead and run through a few of those. The display is very bright. And the app is very responsive with Bluetooth. And some of the other things that you can do is you can control some lighting effects on this. You can run different scenes through their cloud application, their cloud channel. I think there's probably too many options right now. There are some really cool effects though. There is a Vga Effects channel on here. So there is no speaker. It doesn't play any music. It does have just like a startup beep that it does, but pairing it with the app, you could play music and have it sync to some of the visual effects that it has. And then you can also create your own custom effects. And then it's also got a crowdsource channel, so people upload to the app their different designs, and you can download those and install them on the PIXOO-MAX. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this set up in my office and do a follow-up later. So I've had a few days to play around with this and look at some of the different designs that are available through the app. And so I do keep this on my desk. So I do have it to where it'll display different formats of the clock. It'll show you temperature, date, time, obviously. And so there's a few options for that. I did actually go in and design something that's kind of useful for me for a bit working from home. But first I want to show you some of my favorites that I have kind of installed on the device itself. And so let me know in the comments below which one of these might be your favorite. I like the PIXOO-MAX. It's got a bright display. It's got some fun designs. The community that develops some of these designs are super talented. You do have an option to make your own custom designs. I'm not sure I either have the patience or the ability myself to design something, but there are definitely tons of options that are in the app. So I definitely have to recommend this. I'd recommend it to anybody that wants just something fun to have on their desk or into pixel art. It's a good way to display some of your own custom art as well. So Divoom does have this available currently on their website. They are going to be releasing it on Amazon, I believe, in the next few weeks. And I'll include some links below in the description for opportunity to purchase one. So if you like this video, please do me a favor and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, or give it a like. And also, this is one of my first review videos, so please, if you have any feedback to how I can make these better, please also leave comments down below. Until next time, have a great day.